Look at what food has cost now. And Tinubu did not know this. There are people that want to kill themselves because of pot of rice and yam. Is it not because of food they are attacking you?
It's because of food.
You are no more giving them food.
Yes, they say that they will carry their dead body that is not my own to where I come from.
What is your name?
My name is Chidimma Okafo. Mama Chisenderem.
Which kind of food are you sharing them?
Anything that I cook, I used to give them.
Which kind do you cook like intercontinental dish? Which kind?
No.
What do you cook?
Like rice, soup, yam, porridge yam.
You are cooking porridge yam?
Yes.